Hi, I'm Shaun Gardner, Regional Sales Manager for ICT in New Zealand. Today we're revealing the brand new Protege DIN-Rail Cellular Modem. This module is a convenient cellular communication device that provides a 4G connection for Protege WX and GX controllers. By sending alarm notifications over 4G via the Report IP service and ICT's encrypted ARMA IP protocol, this module is the ideal solution to your Protege system. Operating as a fail-safe, the Protege DIN-Rail Cellular Modem provides peace of mind should a wide network go offline, while also offering a solution for remote site installations where network installations are more difficult or expensive to install. Designed with the quarter DIN form factor, this module slots perfectly into an existing ICT enclosure with minimal footprint. It's quick to connect and effortless to configure. Let's look at why the new Protege DIN-Rail Cellular Modem can work for you. In the box, we've included a 4G SMA connector for increased range and a USB-A to USB-C cable for controller connection. The module supports a micro SIM with validated cellular network providers across the globe. Alarms are sent via outbound reporting to supported monitoring stations. This enables your monitoring provider to act immediately when an alarm is triggered on a site. Alarms use the Report IP service, and we recommend using the ARMA IP protocol for added encryption. For enterprise-level Protege sites, this module can facilitate event uploads and range of manual controls via a supported 4G network. These controls include door management, area arming, disarming, output-input control, and more. This allows you to easily manage remote sites. The modem also supports limited programming downloads to a Protege GX controller. Protege GX sites using cross-controller communications can use a single DIN-Rail cellular modem to trigger alarm reporting. This ensures that a single outbound backup is maintained. On the off chance that there is an interruption to the cellular connection, the modem has an automatic fail reset function that is triggered by a connection detection service. This restarts the module and attempts to reconnect to the network. Configuration of the Protege DIN-Rail Cellular Modem is performed in the web interface of the controller that the modem is physically connected to. First, log into the controller web interface and then navigate to Settings. Go to the Adapter USB Ethernet tab and then Enable USB Ethernet. If required, enter your cellular network connection information, then press Save, and then restart the controller. After the controller restarts, it will automatically detect the modem and connect to the cellular network. A reporting service is required to manage and send the alarm data via the controller to the cellular modem. First, navigate to Programming Services, then add a service with an appropriate name. Set the service type to Report IP and the service mode to start with Controller OS. In the General tab, set the client code from your monitoring station and the appropriate reporting protocol. Then in the primary channel settings, set the IP address and port number given to you for the monitoring station server. Set the adapter to USB Ethernet. In the Options tab, review and update the events to report as required. Then save. You can then assign the reporting service to areas. The reporting service sends alerts to the monitoring station based on alarms triggered in areas. For a reporting service to send an alarm to the monitoring station, the service must be assigned to monitor the area in which the alarm occurs. Navigate to Programming Areas, and then select the area that will be monitored by the service. Go to the Configuration tab, and scroll to the bottom to Reporting Services. We can then add our new reporting service, then save. The Protege DIN Rail Cellular Modem is a great alarm reporting failsafe for sites of any size and in almost any location. In addition, programming downloads and manual controls are also available for enterprise Protege GX installations, and the quarter DIN rail form factor makes installation a breeze. For more information on whether this solution is for you, contact your sales rep or head to our website. Thanks for watching.